Hi Sonia, hope you are doing well. So you was sent me this Notion template, this one like by role and all member. So I have redesigned new Notion template using your data. So like template name, this was, then here is the link of website and like add new entry something. So here I have add by role and all member. If we click by role section, so here you can see like in this view, and I have used pictures and city, and here is the home section button. When we click it here, so it will land in the website. So in all member section, like will be name, role and portfolio, Instagram and home section button. So uh, the main thing positive is that I have update uh, this Notion template in here. Like initially in directory it was a previous template, but now I have updated. When we click here, so let's suppose we have open new tab, like we click directory, so new Notion template will be show. Like this template, will be show in through website. Like this is loading, so you can check out and let me know if you need any further changes. Like in code section, I have like changes here. Like in code view, I have updated the Notion template link, so now it is working. So you can check out like here, if you want to land on the anywhere, you can check out, and you can check out where all member and so more. So I deliver this project on Fiverr, so let me know if you need any changes from some more. I am happy to assist you and help you more. So just send me message without put a request on Ravian. So just send me message, I am happy to help you. I appreciate.